Welcome back. Now in the placeorder.php we need to fix something very important. The order here, the order cost, we said that the order cost is I, and actually if you say I, it will ignore the number after the point. For example, if the order cost was 199.99, it will only insert 199 and it will ignore the number after the point. Therefore, we need to change this. We need to change the order ID from I to S. We need to remove this S, and then we need to remove this I, and then we need to say S. So make sure that here it says S, and then here the first parameter is the order cost. So that way, if we say S, we will insert the complete number into the database. It will take the complete number and it will take the number after the point into account, and it will insert the complete number into the database. Similarly, here if you scroll, you'll find that we have also here the product price. Here the product price, we said that it's I. If we say I, it will ignore the number after the point. For example, if the product price was $39.99, it will only insert 39 and it will ignore the 99, the 0.99. Therefore, we need to say, instead of I, we need to say S. We need to remove this I and then we need to say S. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth should be S. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth here in this query, the fifth must be S, so that we insert a complete number into the database rather than inserting only the number and ignoring the number after the point. So make sure that here the product price is S, and also at the top here make sure that the order cost is S. That way we will be able to insert the complete number into the database.